I remember having a couple of conversations with Layne, especially on the first EP, because that was pretty much my first experience of like singing a lead, on an Alice record. He was like, it's like, man, these are your lyrics, it's no offense, but they probably mean more to you than they do to me. Like I love singing them and all of that, but they're your words. You should sing some of these, And I'm like, I really don't want to sing them, man. I'm not as good a singer as you, so you're great. You just keep singing. And he's like, no, you should really try. I started to eventually kind of sing more and more, and that kind of kept happening, So we became more of a tandem, instead of me just being a backup singer to Layne's lead singer. We started to kind of get a little bit more closer and carrying the weight together, and also having the versatility of having a couple of different kind of voices.